Nissan Navara is in grey. Just a quick video just to show some of the more pronounced defects on the vehicle. Obviously, as you can see here with the side steps, you've got a fair bit of wear and tear. Obviously this is to be expected with the age of the vehicle and the fact that they are used to get in and out of the vehicle. You can see just on the brackets there that there's a bit of corrosion just starting. Again, just due to age. If we have a quick look under here, you can see the chassis does have some heavy surface corrosion. The Nissan Navara is fairly prone to this. It is a defect that Nissan after 2009 addressed, so it should hopefully stay just surface corrosion for now. All of the tyres on the vehicle are matched, so it's BF Goodrich all terrain. They are all well within the legal limit. As you can see, there's some slight damage to the rear of the tonneau cover, and that is on both sides. Again, as we go in there and have a quick look under at the chassis on the near side, again, just surface corrosion. As I says, this is a problem that Nissan addressed, so it shouldn't anytime in the near future become anything major. Same again on this side with regards to the side steps. You've got the paint flaking and some wear and tear to the steps themselves. Moving on to some of the scratches on the vehicle. This is the near side front wing. Moving along to the near side rear door. Obviously you can see some scratch marks here just in the door handle with people getting in and out. This is the panel that I would say has been painted. It is an exact match in colour, there is no difference, although it does have around 2 to 3mm more paint and lacquer and primer on it than the rest of the panels. As you can see just down here we have a slight scuff, absolutely nothing major, would probably polish away. And just here we have something just a little deeper, a little deep scratch. Most of the paintwork in the vehicle is covered with a little wash marring, which is to be expected of a vehicle this age. There is some damage just to the rear here. I suspect that this is due to it possibly having a canopy on it at some point before the tonneau was actually placed on the vehicle. Overall, it's a well presented Navara. There's absolutely nothing mechanically that I can find wrong with it. Just a quick look at the inside for you, and then that'll be us.